So hello, so it's my first live stream, so let's start. Hello, can you please change these two buttons? I want to have new buttons. They should indicate the same, but I don't like the design, and the design is already used by a similar project like others, like ours. Hello, can you please change these two buttons? I want to have new buttons. They should indicate the same, but I don't like the design, and the design is already used by a similar project like others, like ours. Hello, can you please change these two buttons? I want to have new buttons. They should indicate the same, but I don't like the design, and the design is already used by a similar project like others. Hello, we've wanted to build like an marketplace where users can download or upload their extensions they want to build to personal Javas, like personal, plugins or something like that, or personal skills. Hello, we wanted to build like an can you please where users can download look how far we are there and help me build this. We have to build both the marketplace and the function, how it works when you want to connect a plugin, or that the plugins are even used by Javas, like a custom marketplace. We already have a domain. I'm not sure if we want to do it like that over GitHub sync or something, but we have to build these two functions so that users can upload their new plugins they've built and can download them easily, and the plugins have to work. So do a deep dive and look how we do it in the best way. Could you please explain to our users what you are and list all your features so they can understand you better?
I'm still working on.
Many things like this, and not a real-time model, is like to a model you have picked, like Jonah 3.5 Flash or something like that.
I'm George, your personal voice companion on this computer. You wake me with a phrase, talk out loud, and I answer through the speakers, like a sharp friend who can also get real work done on the machine, not like a help desk reading a brochure.
Hello guys, today I will show you my open source project. It's an AI ecosystem which you can control by voice. It's like your personal assistant which lives on your computer. But I won't explain it to you, I will let just Jarvis explain it to you. Hello, we wanted to ship a new update, but somehow it didn't ship. Can you look what happened? I think it was version 1.3.2. Yes, and look what happens, and make sure that the push and the new update is on GitHub successfully landed, and give me links for verification. Hey, can you please help me to find my post on Hacker News, which I've posted like 2 hours ago? No, it should be like not an official marketplace, like when a user makes a plugin, it's officially added to our repos that everyone downloads it. No, I would like it to be like a marketplace where all plugins can be automatically listed. But users can look at the plugins and then install them if they want, and if they don't want, don't install them, you know. So like Claw Hub or something like that. Probably like Claw Hub. Not my favorite. Can you please find something else? But keep them in mind that we can use them. But please try make me like an HTML file with 20 suggestions, and I will give you one, and give me like a number so I can give you the correct number, and then you can build it in. Hey George, can you please prompt Terminality4 that he looks at our skills and makes a deep dive in how we can improve the skills drastically. I have the feeling that the skills system doesn't work properly. It never uses the skills I've built. It doesn't really, you know, recognize the skills. Yes.
I'm still working on it.
Checking the workspace terminals for a Gemini Pro pane, then handing over your
Hello, could you please analyze the last run and note that he prompted the same prompt 2 times in the terminal, and that's a bug, and I would like you to find out what causes this bug and fix it. So like a prompt is only prompted 1 time in one terminal, so it doesn't make any sense. hello, I want you to build a new and to change the functionality of this field we've built down there. I want you to make it like when you prompt something in there, the prompt is rebuilt like if you would speak to Jarvis and say prompt terminal T1, and then he makes perfectly prompt, you know. But when you prompt something in this terminal, it just sends the exact text you gave it to the terminal. I want you to build it like that the prompt is redesigned like you would have done it with Jarvis with the exact functionality for the designing for prompts. If you didn't get it, what I wanted to tell you, please give me follow-up questions that we can get on the same point. Just build the functionality. The front end shouldn't be in the repository. You know, we have to do two different repositories. You just have to build the functionality that you can connect your plugins or the stuff you loaded up there easily with Jarvis. Serious vibe coder. Oh, great, an artifact. Which account is this? Go with 17. Where is I didn't even build the marketplace yet. Hello, can you improve the design of this of the terminal titles drastically? I would like to have it in our branding. With white and dark mode, it has to recognize the mode and has to work in both modes. And updates is quick in the clo.md and in the agents.md file that when we build something in the front end, it has to be it has to work with both white and dark mode. What do we want to build? Hello, I would like you to analyze the way how Jarvis controls terminals, all the functionality about the terminals, and how he spawns new terminals and how he prompts new terminals, because sometimes he doesn't get things so correctly, like multi-step tasks, like spawn two new terminals and prompts them, and then prompts them like one fixes bug on macOS, one on Linux. Sometimes it's like that he just submits two prompts that both fix bugs on macOS, or sometimes he just doesn't get the correct meaning what the user wanted to, or the correct task the user wanted to give him, and he just does something randomly stupid. Or like when he spawns new terminals, he doesn't spawn them like normally, he spawns them really weird in a good format. Could you please look at that and fix that? What's really weird is too that spawning of the terminals is like when you spawn like multi-terminals, like two closed, one codex, one open code. He doesn't get that correctly. We have to ensure that is correctly too, and like really he has to get the meaning out of the task. Like if you say prompt do 5 new clothes, 2 codexes and 1 open code, prompt the 5 clothes to do this, prompt the 2 codexes to do this, and prompt the open code to do that, then he has to get it and prompt the correct terminals. Yes, that's important. If you have any questions, just ask them. Hello, I would like you to completely change the function of this visualization feature. I would like you to put it like that the steps which Jarvis did in the reasoning and which actions he called, like if you say, for example, that has to work with everything, hey, can you prompt 2 terminals, spawn on terminals and prompt them, that you see like the nodes what he did. Do you get what I mean? From the beginning to the end. Is that possible? And how would that be like token hungry? Could we build this without tokens? So it doesn't have to be an AI model behind, so it can be bullet with code. When yes, build it. When no, when you have to use tokens, come back to me and we will discuss it. Yes, and be sure that all the nodes which are built are like correctly, and please improve the design of the nodes, you know, like the NetA nodes, which we are using for a direction of the UI, should be like at the same level. So we have like standard nodes like in NetN, where you like an if node or something like that, and that's just an example, but we have to have design systems. We have to have clear design systems. You can look at the NetN nodes and look at them all and build some custom Jarvis nodes in our brand theme. But you know what, as cool in the NetN nodes, yes, you have like these logos. Like in the if node, you have like these 2 signs. Just analyze it and build the correct process for us. Okay, then start. Show the model all skills, turn the relevant layer on. Yes, you can build that. Just look how like Cloud Code or Codex manage the skill system, and you can look how they did it and orientate you from their systems. Hey Google, was heißt orientieren?
Sich zurechtfinden.
Nee, ich meine auf übersetzt auf Englisch, orientieren auf übersetzt auf Englisch.
orient oder to align. Im Sinne von
keep a note that we have like few different, we have like other harness, and we are like a voice assistant. We like skills have to be called really quickly, and like the dumb life model has to get the skills, you know. Because what is the problem is that skills is like a really difficult thing when you don't explicit mention the skill in your prompt, you know. So like if you say, can you tell me what this morning happened, and you have a morning briefing skill, yes, you know, that would indicate that you want to have the morning briefing skill, but you didn't mention that you want to use the morning briefing skill, and that has to be quickly recognized correctly. And if a skill isn't used or doesn't want to be used, that's completely fine. You can it doesn't have to use it, so it wouldn't make any sense if skills are just called, because it would look nicer. No, they have to be called with sense. Hello, can you please look why the quality of our stream is so damn bad? And why we have so much latency? I'm streaming through OBS. Of Grok. How can I do a live stream on X? Okay, I know other projects would build like the same stuff that Jarvis prompts your terminals with context over the code base, the folder, and like they are way quicker than we. What's the problem? Why are we so slow? Grok 4.5 isn't that a slow model, I think. Analyze the code base and what we can do to improve the speed of the terminal prompting and find out what we can improve. Important is that the quality of the prompts don't go down, and that's all. I couldn't see any difference. What I've meant is this expand the term when you go over with your mouse or the terminal titles and like this says expanding something, that is the explanation. When this expanded, this is the horriblest UI design I've ever seen. I wanted that you improve that. If you're not sure what I'm meaning, then just ask me a question. No, on my PC, not on my mobile app. Shipping this. Okay, that looks good. Let's. Was war noch? Hey Jarvis. Hey George. Spawn another terminal and then prompt the terminal to to drastically improve the wake up word. You know, like I just said, hey Jarvis, or like I just said random wake up words, which wasn't the wake up word I've chosen as user, and it's really important that only the wake up words triggers which user has chosen. And you know, when you speak like mid in a sentence and then you say, hey George, it has to trigger too, then it doesn't trigger when you speak, and then you have to wait like 5 or 10 seconds that you can say your wake up word again. No, if the wake up word is, and it's really important, the hey and the George, you know. The hey is really important. So the hey, it doesn't trigger without the hey, and like hey doesn't trigger without George, you know. These are really two blocks which belong together. And important is that the function that the wake up word is choosable, that the user can choose every wake up word, has to be still within the code base and has to still work. It has to work with every wake up word that you can put your mind off and the user chooses.
T9 is open. I will hand them the task as soon as the terminals are ready.
Okay, but now when I hover over my terminals, nothing expands anymore. I don't want that. I want that the feature that when you hover over the terminal title, that thing that expanded is still there, but in a better UI design. Look at the first screenshot there, you can see it. I just switch my max subscription. Let's check the usage. What?
I could not pull a live Claude Max usage meter from here. What is configured is a
Checking how subscriptions and providers are set up so I can switch the max plan correct.
Somehow something doesn't work when you change your subscriptions. Please look what is the bug and fix it. I changed my subscription twice. I'm not sure why it doesn't change. Fix this. What's the visualization? Trigger request. Yes, but the notes look like awful. What did you do? Just give me like a quick list, a very quick and short list. I just want to see it. And a list what you have to do. Hey Google. Hey Google. Wie sagt man Stichpunkte auf Englisch?
bullet point.
Bullet points. Oh, bullet points. No, I don't like it. It's like... No, I just didn't like the design from the first screenshot I've sent you, that it's like white and black, you know. I wanted it to be in our brand guidelines, and it should have like round corners, but like that's only one big sentence that doesn't have Absätze. It's okay. Was heißt Hey George? Hey George, was heißt Absätze auf Englisch?
Das kommt auf den Kontext an. Meinst du Absätze in einem Text? Absätze von Schuhen? Verkaufszahlen vielleicht? Oder etwas ganz anderes?
Von Text.
Sag mir doch kurz, was du genau beschreiben willst. Dann kann ich dir das passende Wort sagen. So ganz ohne Zusammenhang ist es schwer, das Richtige zu finden.
Vom Text.
Alles klar. In diesem Fall sagt man meistens Paragraphs. Wenn du dich zum Beispiel auf einen langen Text beziehst, kannst du sagen, The first paragraph is very informative. Gibt es noch einen anderen Kontext, an den du gedacht hast?
Scheiße. Was? Hallo, es gibt da von der Telekom so eine Website, wo man messen kann, wie schnell seine Internetverbindung ist. Kannst du mir mal schnell raussuchen? Ist das gut oder schlecht? No, it should work. It should improve with every provider you can connect. Like if you connect Gemini 3.5 Flash, or if the Gemini API key, ChatGPT API key, should improve like in all single domain, not only with Grok.
I don't know. Man, I feel like when 3.8, 27B. I'm not seeing it. But also, it's like nearly impossible to find. It's like impossible to find anything from these motherfuckers. Like when Quen 3.8 Max came out, that was a whole ordeal trying to get it. Trying to get that loaded up.
So. Okay, could you please help me to improve the terminal titles? If you look at the terminal titles, you don't. Oh. Hello, could you please look at this button and mark or note that it doesn't work properly? I've pressed it, and one terminal is as big as 4 terminals. Of course, you shouldn't change like the positionation where it is, like when 2 terminals are below, then they won't change, but like from how wide they are, has to change. And like you can pull terminals up and down, and then this is just like it all resets to the place where it's perfect, so like when you have 7 terminals beside, then they all would be in the same, they would all be has the same wideness. And when you have 2 terminals or more up so below, then it would be resetted to the exact middle, to the middle, But that already works, that it resets to the middle. I didn't see any new visualization. I would like you to, every session has to do that. Okay, that takes too long. Are we finished now? Oh, yes, we are. Let's do a quick X post. Okay, can you give me all the changes in bullet points? No like M dashes or stuff like that. Just a normal language how normal humans would write for a quick X post, should be short. Then like one quick header line. Eh. Was machen wir jetzt?
my calendar, creates and schedules my content, pulls data from all the apps that I use, and sends me a full brief on everything that is happening in my business every single morning, all while running completely for free and locally on my own PC. And in this video, I will show you exactly how it works and how you can build your own step by step without writing a single line of code. Plus, at the end, I will give you access to the full
Welcome back, sir. It is currently 12:29 p.m.
Created by Makes. AI assistant. Never share your API key with anyone. Screen. My personal favorite feature is that you can custom.
Hey guys, today I will show you my free vibe coding. Open source alternative to overpriced agentic IDEs like BridgeMind. Demo video. Hey guys, today I will show you my free vibe. Hey guys. Hey George. Can you spawn two no new code terminals and prompt them to do a deep dive and look for bugs on macOS and Linux, one for macOS and one for Linux, with CI tests?
I've just set up 2 new terminals, T2 and T10, for those deep dives into bugs on macOS and Linux using CI tests. They're being briefed right now, and I'll let you know what they find.
How can I see the marketplace? Look at the last transcription and look at the last run, and I said open 2 new Claude Code terminals and prompt them. Look at the transcription. And it opened 4 new Claude Code terminals and prompted them. What is the bug fixes, please? Ecosystem, which is open source and an MIT license. I will just show you how it works. It's completely controllable by voice. So first we'll launch. Hey guys, today we'll show you. Ah, stimmt, Digga. I would like you to add here grok build. Ja, aber ich verstehe es nicht. Ich bin eigentlich ziemlich sicher, dass ich 3 Abos connected habe. But it was not only that specific skill, it was like... It's like a general problem.
will dir heute mal ein sehr geiles neues Feature von Claude zeigen und wirklich auf den Grundworkshops, also wie Agentic Workflows funktionieren und wie man Agenten für sich nutzen kann. Gibt eine Basis-Pattern und das betrifft immer 4 Bereiche. Das ist wichtig, ihr seht jetzt hier, er nimmt nicht nur meinen Bildschirm auf, sondern auch mein Mikrofon. Das ist halt ganz wichtig, dass ich auch sprechen muss, was da zu sehen ist. Weil genau damit gebe ich ihm den nötigen Futter, damit er quasi loslegen kann, daraus einen vernünftigen Skill zu bauen. Ihr könnt quasi hier auswählen, was ihr machen wollt. So, ich nehme jetzt das Integrierte und starte dann die Aufnahme. So, erlauben. Ich habe jetzt unten quasi eine kleine Box, wo er quasi alles aufnimmt. So, ich möchte jetzt erstmal einen Browser öffnen und in diesem Browser, ich habe den Arc-Browser, öffne ich mein YouTube Studio. Das ist studio.youtube.com, also seid da gern spezifisch. So, da gehe ich dann auf Analytics, um mir die Daten zu ziehen, weil ich möchte ja quasi ein Overview geben, wie sind meine Zahlen. Ich gehe auf den erweiterten Modus und ich möchte aber nicht nur die letzten Monat meinem potenziellen Sponsor Daten bereitstellen, sondern zum Beispiel die letzten 90 Tage oder 365 Tage. Jetzt habe ich hier quasi die ganzen Insights zu meinen Videos, aufgeschlüsselt nach Video, das ist okay, und will jetzt das downloaden. Das heißt, ich gehe hier oben rechts auf den Download-Button, klicke und downloade es als CSV. Sehr gut. Dann ziehe ich mir jetzt das Dokument, lasse es mir quasi anzeigen, Show in Finder, habe das quasi jetzt hier und kopiere diesen ZIP-Folder in einen neuen Folder. Das heißt, ich mache YouTube, neuen Folder, YouTube und mache den Monat, August und das Jahr 2026. Dann mache ich Doppelklick und lade das quasi rein. So, jetzt haben wir quasi das File hier. Wir können es meinetwegen noch umbenennen in Reporting Data. Und jetzt will ich quasi die Reporting Data entzippen, dass ich die quasi hier drin habe in meinen YouTube August 2026. Und hier sind quasi meine ganzen Daten. Und jetzt sollen diese ganzen Daten einmal analysiert werden und okay, welche Videos und welche Titel haben besonders gut performt und wie haben sie performt, und das in Bezug auf den jeweiligen Kunden, Sponsorpartner, den ich habe. So, wie kann das jetzt aussehen? Das heißt, er soll erstmal sich die Daten ziehen von den CSV, den Reporting-Daten, und dann auf den jeweiligen Sponsor gehen, den ich quasi habe, wo ich den Report für machen will. Das ist jetzt in dem Fall hostinger.com. Er soll auf Hostinger gehen, sich die Daten lesen, die hier zur Verfügung stehen, besonders die Produkte, wenn Sie Produkte haben, anschauen und dann meine Videos, meine Performance meiner Videos und meine Hostinger-Daten in einen Google Doc schreiben. So, das heißt, er soll den Drive-Folder öffnen, soll quasi hier ein Google Doc öffnen und soll es dann benennen nach potenziell, okay, wie heißt das Dokument? Ich mache dann Hostinger Sponsor Dokument und will halt einmal einen Satz haben, wie meine Performance war. Meine Performance war so und so. Produkte von dann der Sponsoranbieter, Hostinger, die passen würden, wären 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hier folgende Videoideen, die ich anbieten kann. Videoideen, die ich anbieten kann. Hier können wir jetzt quasi sagen, okay, formuliere mir das aus und mit
Hello, there is our macOS a feature where you can record your screen or in the Cloud app, and then it builds a skill out of your screen recording. Why can't I see it here on my Windows PC? Isn't that yet released for Windows? Press the button now, it should be clickable and all terminals will snap to the same wired place. Let's test it. Works, great job, commit this. I want to test it first on a local host. Was? Huh. Go on. Was?
Work on creating safeguards and things like leaks that Gemini being canceled. Semi-analysis said something different. What semi-analysis this video how they're having issues. They're really betting on Gemini 4 being the model that helps them push forward. And
has multiple sections and put some fun surprises in there that would make anyone smile. Wow, it's done. All right, it's done. It's fast. Oh, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. It has it up in the browser preview. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. From the little sliver I can see at the bottom, it's already looking like it could be good.
Vibe coding.
What grok
is
sub are
art.
you on?
That's why I'm building
it's just the grok
Canvas.
sub
It's
that's
a native
included
Mac
in my
OS app. Okay, go to sleep.
Chase is done.
Come on!
Done.
All right, I think now we should make a landing
Guys,
page
done.
about monkeys because honestly, monkeys are super cute. Maybe have an adorable monkey eating the banana. And you know what?
Holy
Let's add the
shit.
music player to this because it's a little bit boring in here.
Yes! This is so perfect. Why is this so perfect? on! No! 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 Oh, it hurts. Oh, it hurts. It's already browser preview. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. From the it's included in my Come on!